Oh, hey guys. Hey, it's been a minute. We've been a little busy getting ready to head back to New York. And today I'm gonna procrastinate and show you everything I've made in the 9.5 months we've been here in beautiful Fayetteville, Arkansas. So, let's just go see what's inside the closet, huh? We're going to kick things off with a mashup. This is a vintage McCalls pattern plus a simplicity Mimi G pattern, and I feel so fancy in it except when I hit my elbow on the door. I feel like Joan Crawford about to serve drinks. This fabric is from Selvage and Bolts. This is the McCalls pattern done up in full. Ooh, don't show now everything there, Marcy. Keep them goods hidden. It's a polyester fabric from my favorite vintage store here in town, 410 Vintage in Fayetteville, Arkansas. She's kind of hot. Let's get into something a little more seasonally appropriate. Yeah, this little summery number, stripey deal. This is some Italian cotton pre-shirred fabric from Thready Made NYC. They're a great little company. They give you a kit of everything you need to make a dress or whatever, start to finish. And they give you extra fabric, so if you're like me and you want to add little sleeves and a little band at the hem, you can do that. And I'm obviously very into hacking my patterns. Here's another hackable pattern, Vogue 9253. This is my favorite easy Vogue dress pattern. They've updated the numbers, so I'm going to list that below for you guys, but this dress has earthing, has pockets, has drama, has sleeves for a little coverage to offset the décolleté on showcase in this dress. I've got like 24 of these dresses. I love this pattern. This pattern, not so much. This is a McCall's pattern, and I don't know if it was me or the pattern, but I had a hell of a time sewing this one up. The fabric is from Fabric Godmother, and I love the fabric. And I love even more this fabric from Fabric Godmother. I did this in my Stitch to Finish video. It's a little hoodie pattern. Well, I call it a hoodie, but really it's more like a jughead turtleneck dress. This is very easy to do. You can see it in my Stitch to Finish video, but I'm gonna give you guys a really like A to Z video on how to do something like this. It's so easy. You're just copying an existing sweatshirt. Now this one is not easy. This is another Vogue pattern. It's a Koos van der Aken pattern, and it's done up in fabric from the Nina Rimmel fabric box, and I'll link both of those below. Again, it's got a lot of tricky techniques in it. These sleeves alone, these origami band sleeves, have notches and markings and just little details up the wazoo. And I love little details sometimes. But sometimes, you know, you just want to get into something easy, like this Herd jacket. This denim jacket is done with a window pane technique. You guys, it's so easy. You could even just do this with glue tape. I recommend sewing because I like the sewing. I want you guys to like the sewing. But I also recommend glue where necessary. Say you want to bling the back of your jacket there. That's right. Because you know what? Some bling is still very important, you guys. Still very, very, very important. This is so easy to do. You can sew it along with me in my video right here. These, however, I think I'm going to show you guys how to make these. I've been looking for a good wide-legged pants pattern because a lot of you have been requesting that. I like the contrast band on these. I think they're very fun. There are a lot of options in them. It's supposed to have just one elastic band at the top. Instead, I did like 8 rows of shirring. So I'm deciding whether or not these are the pants to teach you guys. We'll see. This, I've already taught you, if we can call it teaching. This little rich auntie vibes outfit is topped off by basically a rectangle of fabric that turns into a shrug. And I teach you guys how to do that in a video that I will link, right up here. The half circle skirt is coming. I need more real estate to do that. It's very hot in this, and I need to get into something a little more seasonally appropriate. Just hold on just a second, just a minute here. Oh yeah, well, I'd love to put this dress on for you guys actually, but I can't because the zipper, she is broken. This is one of my one bodice, three dresses dress. Let me just shove my arms through it so you can get a kind of idea of what she looks like. I love her so much. Hey, word to the wise, don't buy invisible zippers in bulk from Amazon. Just don't do it. But do try your hand at a pattern that you've never tried before. This jumpsuit is very wrinkled and a little tight because she got dried on hot, but I think I have a way to fix that. But if you really want to see it in action, I suggest checking out my 5 ways to get your Sojo back video where I rock this jumpsuit and you can see it just not wrinkled fresh out of the wash, okay? Yeah. Or you can check out how to make a French seam along with me in this demure little number that Rob picked out for me. Yeah. Oh, she's got little flaps at the top and self-covered fabric buttons, and I just feel like, you know, all the little birds should maybe flutter around me in this dress. This was from our Shop With Us at JOAN's video, and here's the fabric I picked out versus the fabric that Rob picked out. Yeah, so you get an idea of our tastes. You can't actually see this dress yet. It's one of my Threads digital ambassador posts, so I'm not going to wear this for you, but that's coming up. Saving the best for last, my 2 favorite self-drafted dresses. I am indeed going to teach you guys how to make these this summer. Both of these fabrics are wax prints from House of Mamiwata, and I don't want to pack them up.
Are you packed?
No, but I'm getting there. Oh, so worried. You don't want to wish the... Oh!
Pack your bag, woman.
Peace out.
Emphasis on pack.
There he is. There's the punny guy I love. See you guys in New York. Bye. No, really, I gotta pack. Bye. See you guys in New York.